Hello everybody, Merry Christmas, SkyLord88 here. Today we're going to open up all this in the video. So we have these One Piece packs from Magic Dawn. We have this Yu-Gi-Oh! Magnificent Avians. We got this mystery box. And this giant jumbo Pikachu VMAX box. Here's the back. So without further ado, we're going to start off with, put these on the side. And we're going to start off with we're going to do the One Piece packs. Let's start off with the One Piece pack. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, enjoy your Christmas. And we got One Piece Romantic Dawn. I found this at Target. Oh, cool. I got another Speed. So One Piece character, Speed. Whoa. Marco. Elephant Marco. Ooh, Miss Doublefinger. Holy macaroni. That's really nice artwork. Hydro, Becca, Penguin, Who's Who, Demand's Face, X-Drake. Ooh, cool, we got an X-Drake. And we have Trifidely Law. Oh, I like Law. And your turn. Hey, that's pretty good. We got like two holographics. That's pretty cool. What is this? So we got a rare and we got a super rare. Oh, pretty cool. We got a rare and super rare. That's pretty cool. And we'll put the, we'll put the big busty thing. Whoa. Okay, next is One Piece, another one. We got Saw with Baby 5. Always fan service. We have Smiley, Battlearrow, something from the anime. It's pretty cool. We have Arlong. I like that character. We have Atarashu and Jinbei as a rare. So that's pretty cool. So just super rare. And we got the jumbo pack. Pretty cool. That is it for One Piece. Next is the Magnificent Avians. Okay, we got Yu-Gi-Oh! And then Pokemon. Let's do Pokemon. This is like a big box. Let's do Pokemon and then we'll open up the Yu-Gi-Oh! Packs. Oh. So we got Pokemon. We got Pikachu and all the other ones. So we got Mimikyu. Oh, hold on.